How do my clients out on the public internet find these resources and services? Got to have externally published DNS records, right? I got to have name resolution. Well, if I've got name resolution, then that means that I've got defined namespaces. Commonly things like mail.mycompany.com, mail.unidogames.com is how external users are going to come in. Now, the reality of Exchange 2016 is that namespace design has been dramatically simplified compared to previous versions. In fact, if we compare the number of names and namespaces required for Exchange 2010 versus Exchange 2016, it's literally less than half, literally. So what supports these client access services? Well, we know that they got to have certificates. The clients have to support the protocols that are enabled, and the hardware load balancer is going to be in place to manage those sessions. We don't get there without the DNS configuration appropriate in the external world, or we don't get there without meeting the requirements for securing the communication, which today the baseline is 128-bit SSL, right? That's the baseline. If you've got the processing power to do 256-bit based SSL, I would encourage you to do it if you've scaled for processing, because it's a lot of overhead, 256-bit SSL. But we know that 40-bit SSL, 56-bit SSL, these have been cracked, right? It used to be you had to be somebody like the Chinese or the Israelis or the NSA to crack that stuff. Today, we know that that's all cracked. I saw a demonstration. It was a Windows 7 machine with just 2 gigs of RAM and like a 1 point something gigahertz processor. Dual core, not quad core, just dual core. This thing cracked 40-bit SSL in less than 7 minutes. I never saw anything like it in my life. These are the tools that kids, script kiddies, can download today. So when we think about the baseline SSL requirement today is 128-bit baseline. What kinds of namespace models do we support? Now, and what I see here are the namespace models: consolidated data center, single namespace, proxy sites, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. If you're not familiar with these models, we're going to explore them as we work through this material.